Once again, it's on, folks. Welcome back. Jason Edward Ledbury, Firecraft. Check it out, Jason. This is the strikers that I have. I got these from England, from Andrew Kirkham. Check it out. He sent me some English flint. Check it out. Check it out, Jazz. Check out this one. The little bar rotates. Right? This one's pretty cool. Hell yeah. Pop, pop, pop. This one pretty nice too. Let's see how they spark. Just to show my strikers for Jazz out there in New Zealand. Hell yeah. Check it out, folks. Hell yeah. First time striking them. That was nice. Check this one out. Plenty of strikes. Very nice. So there you go, Jazz. I know you wanted to see some pictures. I'd rather do a video for you. Hell yeah. Very nice. All right, Jazz. I don't have any chart cloth ready, but I will use them in a separate video. Lighting something up. I'll leave a link to Jazz out there in New Zealand. See you guys on the next video, folks.